that you take the picture.
Wow. Such a beautiful. You can take pictures.
Look at this. Fully covered.
Oh, I'm not even seeing anything anymore.
It is only for 4 minutes. From 140 to 144 or 138 to 142. Now it is fully covered. See, without the focus also, it is fully covered.
Oh, you can move.
You got the picture?
I'm video.
You're doing video?
Yeah.
I have never seen like this.
Look at it, it's totally covered. No sun, nothing.
Look like night. So beautiful.
You're getting good video?
Yeah, we're doing some good. It doesn't look the same on the video though.
No, it not looks like the same in the picture, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it looks like
Yeah, you can.
There we go. Oh. It's coming out.
It's coming out, yes. Slowly sun is started coming out.
It's daytime again.
did you get?
Yeah, I got it.
But it's not too clear, right?
It's not clear, but yes.
Was that
But you couldn't see anything. Put it on now. When the eclipse passed, you couldn't see anything through the glass. Like you couldn't look on it with a regular eye.
it covered completely
Yeah,
a while ago.
You couldn't see anything. Somebody out there. Don't make go around looking. So don't make go around.
Go and come, put it on and look.
Someone.